friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Mewtwo from Pokemon. So first let's get started with our eyes. So on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then out. Let's move over on the left hand side, leaving a small gap, and we're just going to replicate that again. From the inside now, we're going to curve this line around and then back up on the side. And then again, moving over towards the left, let's replicate that one more time. Moving in towards the middle now, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then stepping further in again, let's replicate that one more time. Now on the top, we're going to draw in an oval for the highlight. Moving in on top of both eyes now, we're going to draw in a small curved line that arches out on both sides. And then for the nostrils, we're just going to curve this line around and then down. Now for the top of the head, moving further up, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right, arching that down. And then leaving a gap, we're going to move down. And for the cheek, we're just going to curve this line all the way around and then in at a point. And then moving over on the left-hand side, let's replicate that, arching this line around and then back in. Now for our ears, on the top, we're going to curve this line around and then over. And then on the top here, we're going to curve this line around and then down to close off the ear. Now let's draw in our right hand. So on the top, we're going to draw in a circle. Moving down on a diagonal on the right, we're going to draw in another circle. And then moving down on a diagonal again on the left, let's draw in our last circle. On the top now, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then on the bottom, we're just going to close that off with a curved line from left to right. Moving in behind now, we're going to draw in a curved line that comes up. Let's draw the rest of the body now. So we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes in. From here, we're going to draw in a small diagonal line that comes out. For our right leg, we're going to curve this line around and then up. Moving over now, we're going to curve this line around, back in. And then from that point in the corner, we're just going to curve this line around and then back up. In the center now, we're going to arch this line around and then down. And now let's draw in our left hand. So we're going to curve this line around and then out. And then moving underneath, we're going to replicate that, ending that so it's at the same height. For the thumb, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And we just want to make sure that this line connects on the bottom. Now on the top for the first finger, we're going to arch this line around, back up. And then moving across again, we'll replicate that, curving that around, back in. And then underneath, we're going to curve this line around and then down. Now let's move over and draw in the legs. So on the right hand side first, we're going to curve this line down. And then from the point here, we're just going to arch this line around and then in. Moving across again, let's replicate that, curving that line around and then down. And then from the toe here, we're going to curve this line back up to close off the foot. And then on the left hand side, let's arch this line around and then back in. Let's move over on the left hand side now. On the top, we're going to curve this line around, back in. Coming underneath, we're going to curve this line around and then up. On the inside, let's arch this line down. And then from here, we're just going to extend this out and then back in. Again, moving across, we're going to curve this line out, bringing that down. And then from here, we're just gonna arch this line around and then up in the corner. Lastly, let's draw in our tail now. So coming underneath our hand, we're going to curve this line down. And then stepping over to the side, again, we're gonna arch this line around and then back in. And then closing off the rest of the tail underneath, we're gonna arch this line all the way around and then in towards the cheek. And that is it. That's how you draw Mewtwo from Pokemon. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.